So we are here in Puerto Plata. Here's the view from our ocean view room. We're about to go out, explore Puerto Plata. Once again, we don't have any excursions planned. So we're just going to go around, walk around, and then come back on the ship.
Good morning.
Good morning, everybody. Well, is it?
It's still morning.
Is it?
Yes.
Okay, still morning, y'all. I'm walking down this hall, y'all, and all you can hear is my little plastic flip-flops. So, I just got the burger with the mass grill. I just got a burger with cheese on it, fries, before we go over to Puerto Plata. Here, on the magic carpet, since we've been here on the Apex, y'all. Let me show you down. You can look down and see people going down. See?
The same book.
And they're going to Puerto Plata. So yeah, over here is the MSC. What'd you say it was? The seascape or whatever? Seaside. So yeah, people are making their way over to the port. We got in late, 11:30 port arrival time. So we're about to make our way over to Puerto Plata, but only for a little bit. And then we're coming back on the ship. Right, babe?
Let's go.
So we're here. We're walking to the port in Puerto Plata, and it is windy. So if you hear the wind in the mic, I'm sorry. I forgot the wind cover. Yeah. So it's windy, but it's nice. So the wind makes up for the heat, because it's just like a nice breezy day. Just gotta hold on to your hat. You hear that, kid? Hold on to your hat. So as we're walking over to the port, this is a long walkway to get over there where I'm showing you, over across where the water is. So these are you see them in the shot. These are the little, vehicles that can take you over there if you need a ride, if you're having some mobility issues or you just don't feel like walking it. I think they're free, but of course tipping is always appreciated. So yeah. So we're going over here, over there. Entering in the area, Taino Bay, Puerto Plata. So there's the beach, the bars, and the shopping village to the left when you come in, and the tours are to the right. So what we're going to do is we're going to walk to the left. We're going to walk to the left. And you see, this is a pretty decent port area. They have a lot of different things here. As you can see, people are lined up over there to go on tours. But we're headed over this way. Waterfall right there. Well, and then they have places here that you can get a drink, coffee. So they've really built this up. And Diamonds International, of course, wherever you go on a cruise port. And we're going through the shopping mall here, the duty free, so that we can get to the other side. Of course, in the duty free, the duty-free areas, they have perfume, lotion, cigarettes, $41 for a box of Newports, a carton. You can't beat that. Clothing items, liquor, cigars, any and everything. Okay. All the chocolate, snacks, everything. We've just made it out to the beach area where there are places to eat. and places to shop. And of course, like I said, the like beach area with the pool, that's complimentary. The seating is complimentary, but of course it's a first come, first serve. So yeah. And it looks as if the yeah, I think the MSC ship was here before us. So right there, that means that the loungers and stuff are probably going to be limited. Usually if you're the first ship to get here, you can kind of hustle over and get seating. But as that was not the case, we got here at 11:30, which is late. So I'm going to say that's probably a no. No, you're not going to get a seat coming in that late over here. But, you know,
So they definitely built up since the last time.
Yeah, they building it up. Yeah, they have. It's really nice. It's a really nice port area. I know. Imagine. You know? So, yeah. Who? No, I already got one from here for her. And so yeah, it's really nice. And they have the birds over here, the pigeons and stuff that you can take pictures with. But don't get too close because they will attack you. Some people just don't understand. But yeah. And like places to get like facial and beauty treatments and stuff, if that's what you're looking for. Yeah, oh, they got monkeys over there too. I mean, we've been there before, saw the monkeys and all of that, but I don't get too close. See, some people get too damn close to the monkeys, and that's why they are hit with getting attacked because they don't know their boundaries. So yeah, and then this is an area too where you can have a drink. Where, like I said, different shops and stuff over here. So yeah, it's like every time we come here, they're building up a little bit more. That they have a lot more bars here now. You know, the mojito bar, and that was the like blue parrot bar right there. They had a rum bar that we went past. So yeah, a lot of places if you just want to come and have a drink over here, that's for sure. Also have a lazy river here, y'all. So there it is right there. So lazy river. I think you gotta get it from over there. So yeah, lazy river here too. If you just want to chill and just glide on down lazy river. The chill area here, you want to come over and go down. I don't know if this probably costs. I'm not stepping down there, y'all, because see that sand? I don't want sand in my feet. But this looks like another area, like they have lounges and stuff over here that you can kind of come and chill free. But like I said, you have to get here early or you will not get a spot. Another view of the lazy river for you to come through. Just something else to do over here. So yeah. And this is the map of Taino Bay, so it tells you where everything is. They have them all around, so just look for them and it'll tell you where everything is, and if you're looking for something specific. Shops, more shops and pharmacies and stuff around here, so music everywhere. Like I said, a bunch of places for you to have a drink. There's a bunch of bars over here, y'all. So yeah, they're everywhere. They're called the river. I guess you could just come in here. I mean, this is where the lazy river too, but you can, as you can see, you can step down into it too and just chill here. They have a lifeguard here as well. Made our way over to the taxis. So this is where you come to get a taxi if you're trying to go in town or you want to go explore Puerto Plata. So yeah, you just get a taxi here and they'll take you wherever you want to go if you want to explore more of Puerto Plata. And look for the guys with the green shirts. I think they're the legit ones. Okay. The sign. Taino Bay. Taino, potato, hot. I got my lobster tails. I got the lamb shank. And all is right in the world tonight. That's the lamb shank, y'all. It came right off the bone, y'all. It came right off the bone. That was really good. That's good. What you don't want? You got Brussels sprouts?
You want it?
Yeah. Okay. The lamb is so good. And that nice, hearty gravy that it's on, it is really good. It's just falling off the bone.
This steak tastes like a steak on it.
So they caught me going in my bag, y'all, getting my spice out, putting it on the lobster. It's right there. Perfectly cooked. It's not rubbery. And of course the seafood seasoning enhanced it. Yeah, it's good. So back in the room, y'all, but I had to take them heels off with these, y'all. So I had to take them heels off. They only for dinner. Heels are only worn to dinner. After I come back from dinner, I don't care where I'm at. If I'm away, I put the flats on. Because that's how I roll. How many women? Who else does that? Drop a comment down below. Do you change your shoes if you're on a cruise or if you're all inclusive or you're out? Take them heels off and then put your flats on? Let me know, because I do.